In a dramatic display of naval prowess, the United States Marine Corps, USMC, showcased its newest weapon in the ongoing saga of great power competition. Dubbed Nmesis, the USMC successfully fired the cutting-edge Naval Strike Missile, NSM, aimed at countering Chinese warships and deflating the People's Liberation Army Navy PLAN. Developed by the Norwegian company Kongsberg Defence Aerospace, the NSM is a potent weapon system that has garnered international acclaim for its impressive range, precision, and stealthy design. Its ability to operate in littoral waters and strike targets from extended distances gives it a unique advantage in contested maritime environments. With its all-weather capability and long-range reach, the NSM enables the USMC to engage in a wider spectrum of operations, from coastal defense to strategic sea control. New anti-ship missile. The NMESIS, Navy Marine Expeditionary Ship Interdiction System, is an advanced ground-based anti-ship missile system developed by the U.S. Marine Corps. To maximize its effectiveness, NMESIS employs a sophisticated detection system to locate and engage enemy naval assets effectively. This detection system integrates various sensors, such as radars, electro-optical/infrared, EO/IR cameras, and other intelligence-gathering tools to detect and track potential targets in the maritime domain. By combining the NMESIS with the Tomahawk cruise missile, the military can achieve a seamless and comprehensive approach to engaging naval and land-based targets. The Tomahawk, known for its precision and long-range capabilities, complements NMESIS by providing an additional strike option from a different platform. Like NMESIS, the Tomahawk relies on advanced detection systems to locate and identify targets before initiating its engagement. The principle behind both NMESIS and the Tomahawk is quite similar to the concept mentioned regarding China's anti-ship ballistic missiles. Before executing a strike, these systems need to detect and locate their targets accurately. A robust and integrated detection system is crucial to ensure the effectiveness of these ground-based anti-ship and cruise missile systems. The combination of NMESIS and the Tomahawk represents a natural progression in the development of modern military capabilities. By leveraging the strengths of each system, the military can create a more comprehensive and versatile approach to dealing with potential threats, whether they are maritime or land-based. This integrated approach enhances the ability to locate and engage adversaries effectively, ensuring a more robust defense posture for the nation. Long-range fires. In a swift response to counter China's home advantage and the U.S. away disadvantage, the U.S. Marine Corps, USMC, has taken steps to rapidly induct a new anti-ship missile, NSM. This move aims to diminish reliance on vulnerable naval and air assets, as highlighted by the Eurasian Times report on China's ground-based ballistic missiles posing a threat to American bases in the Western Pacific. Aligned with the Force Design 2030 doctrine, the USMC's initiative, called Gbasm, plans to deploy agile and highly mobile teams specializing in long-range fires to engage enemy assets effectively within a sophisticated and interconnected combat environment. Gbasm's core strategy emphasizes establishing small, nimble units capable of launching anti-ship missile attacks on enemy assets from secure locations. By leveraging this approach, the USMC seeks to reduce the risks posed by China's formidable home advantage, while also mitigating the vulnerabilities faced by American forces in distant territories. This shift towards rapid induction and deployment of NSMs is poised to enhance the overall combat capability of the USMC in a highly complex and networked battlefield. Acknowledging the increasing threat posed by China's ground-based ballistic missiles, the U.S. military brass has openly addressed the challenges before lawmakers. The vulnerabilities of American bases in the Western Pacific underscore the critical need for innovative solutions like Gbasm, which promises to bolster the USMC's operational flexibility and ensure a more robust defense posture in the Indo-Pacific region. By adopting this novel approach, the USMC aims to maintain a strategic edge while countering potential adversaries' advances and ensuring regional stability. Gbasm program. Amid growing concerns over China's formidable anti-access/area denial, a 2/AD doctrine, the U.S. Marine Corps, USMC, has embarked on an ambitious program called Ground-Based Anti-Ship Missile, Gbasm. Experts have warned that China's long-range missile systems, which outrange U.S. counterparts, pose a significant challenge for U.S. Navy ships, preventing them from capitalizing on their capacity and payload advantage. To counter this, Gbasm aims to complicate the adversary's ability to counter U.S. anti-ship capabilities by introducing ground-based launchers that are hard to detect. The heart of Gbasm's success lies in its focus on survivability. The program utilizes the remotely operated ground unit for expeditionary fires, ROGE, integrated into a joint light tactical vehicle, allowing Marine crews to operate the launcher from a safe distance, outside the enemy's weapons engagement zone. This aligns seamlessly with the USMC's Force Design 2030 doctrine, which calls for smaller, low-signature, and cost-effective amphibious ships, emphasizing littoral maneuverability and logistical support. The USMC's serious efforts to counter China's doctrinal, technological, and systemic surprises are evident in its vision to operate within the range of adversary long-range fires, combining physical and information domains with mobile and low-signature sensors and weapons. By leveraging the Gbasm program, the USMC aims to restore the balance and ensure a robust sea control effort, countering China's 2/AD doctrine while enhancing its overall operational capabilities in complex littoral environments. Tomahawk integration. In scenarios where the U.S. needs to defend Japan from China's Navy, Marines from littoral regiments could be deployed to remote Pacific islands. From these locations, they could utilize NMESIS to target Chinese ships. However, concerns have been raised about NMESIS' relevance to the broader Indo-Pacific strategy of the Pentagon. While NMESIS is assembled from established technology, making its overall costs likely lower than most new weapon systems, the Marine Corps still faces budget constraints that are expected to persist. The Marine Corps has allocated funds for the research and development of NMESIS, with a budget request of $28 million in the latest fiscal year, and previous allocations of $42 million in fiscal year 2020 and $25 million in fiscal year 21. Despite this investment, some question whether NMESIS can present a significant threat to larger and more distant targets, such as a Chinese aircraft carrier battle group. To address this issue, the Marines are exploring the possibility of adopting a ground-launched version of the Navy's classic Tomahawk cruise missile. The Tomahawk cruise missile, with its range of up to 1,000 miles and sophisticated multi-mode seeker that combines radar and infrared sensors, can precisely target enemy ships. The Marine Corps made a request for Tomahawk cruise missiles in their 2021 budget, which was denied by Congress. However, the inclusion of 48 Tomahawks in their unfunded requirements list for the 2022 budget indicates their continued interest in acquiring these missiles. By considering the adoption of the Tomahawk cruise missile, the Marine Corps aims to bolster its capabilities in countering potential threats in the Indo-Pacific region. This approach would provide an additional option to target larger and more distant enemy assets, effectively while complementing the capabilities of NMESIS in littoral regions.